you don't want to get with the scamming, mediocre credit repair companies that you see on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and even in some cases, you don't even want to learn how to actually fix your credit and all the intricacies that it takes. Well, look no further. I'm about to drop a gem on you right now so you can go ahead and fix your credit the most simplest way possible without the headache. So today I partnered with Smart Credit, and with them, they're going to take care of the hassle of finding the negatives on your credit report and helping you get them off. What they're going to do, they're going to take care of the hassle of actually finding the negatives on your credit report, mustering up an actual dispute letter, and getting these negatives eradicated with you having the most hands off as possible. All right, so let's dive in. So with Smart Credit, it is an app and it's also a website-based software. And you can use this website to create a plan to boost your credit score in a short period of time. Now, again, signing up is a soft pull on your credit report because they use this to actually get all your credit information so they can figure out what is going on and what is holding you back. And with that being said, with that soft credit check, I just want to let you know now, you are not going to be affected when you check your credit score throughout the process of having Smart Credit. I know that's kind of like a myth. You never ever affect your credit score when you check it on the regular basis. So that's the dope thing about Smart Credit. You can check it day in and day out throughout the day. Alright, so the first thing that I want to go over when it comes to Smart Credit helping you eradicate those negatives off your account is the score tracker. This allows you to see the beginning process of how you start with your credit, and even when you go months in and months in, it actually shows you where you came from and where you are now. Who doesn't like a good tracker? Alright, and the next thing that they have is the score builder. And of course, this is the gem of the software. It shows you how and what is going on your credit report and what is actually negatively impacting you. And it actually has different options of what you can choose of how you can take action to get these eradicated off of your credit report. So when you choose the Take Action Now button, it allows you to simply fix the errors with the click of a button. Next, it will ask you how you want to handle the error. For example, you can click I was never late, or this is incorrect, and things of that nature. With the whole drop down box, you can choose which one is actually accurate to the actual situation. Then the software would generate a dispute letter and even mail it to the credit repair agencies. You know how different that is. In most other software companies, you have to literally print off the dispute letter and you actually have to send it yourself. With Smart Credit, they're doing literally everything for you. The only thing you have to click is 1 to 3 buttons every single time. You can't get no better than that. And also, it doesn't stop there. Let's just say that you have some type of identity theft, or you actually even want to do a goodwill letter. They actually have options for those as well. So you can actually click on a goodwill letter and tell them that you want to settle for the debt or anything of that nature, and you still want to get eradicated off of your credit report. And this is to the original creditor. So you have many different options when it comes to the Take Action Now button. Now, again, when you're trying to dispute these things off of your credit report, you actually have two options when it comes to this. You can either type in your own reason, or you can allow Smart Credit to do it for you. Now, with the next thing, we have Score Boost. Now, in this section, it allows you to see what you can do to raise your credit score. For example, it can show you how much you can pay towards a certain debt that you have on your credit report, and it will show you how it can positively boost your scores. So if you have high utilization on this credit card or things of that nature, or this personal line of credit, it would actually show you and tell you, hey, if you pay X amount, you'll get 30 points added to your actual credit score. You'll get 10 points, you'll get 5 points, things of that nature. It's literally a consultant at your fingertips telling you what you can do while you're trying to eradicate negatives off your credit report. It's literally in your back pocket. And also another reason why I like Smart Credit, they actually give you your actual credit scores. They're not just giving you Vantage scores like Credit Karma or any of these other bogus places. They're actually giving you your accurate scores throughout the board to see where you're actually landing at. So it's not just Vantage scores, it's your actual FICO scores. And this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Smart Credit. They actually have even more features that they have in the software that you can use to actually eradicate debt or to get more information so you can help yourself along the line in your financial future. But I just wanted to give you guys the bare minimum of what you guys need to do to get your negatives eradicated. This is for the people that don't want to learn credit. They're tired of getting scammed by all of these mediocre credit repair companies that don't know what they're doing. You can just go ahead and do it yourself and then allow Smart Credit to do it for you. Just go ahead, click the link in my bio and get your credit fixed. This is just, come on guys. I don't know how more simple it can be, all right? I want to appreciate you guys for stopping by. Now go get your credit fixed. It only takes 1 to 4 buttons. Click the link in my bio and get started now. It's super easy. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen.